Good morning, everyone. My name is Miss Hida. Can you say the letter together? Who is my name? Yes, my name is Miss Hida. Today we're gonna learn together. And before that, let us sing about opening song in Good Morning. Good morning, everybody. How are you? I'm good. Good morning, everybody. How are you? I'm great. Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Good morning, everybody. How are you? I'm great. Yay, I'm happy to see you for today. Now, we're gonna learn about alphabet. Can you tell me what the letter of this? Correct. This is letter A. Now, what the sound of letter A? The sound is A. A. Okay, I will sing a song about letter A and you can follow after me. Yeah, okay. Ants on the apple. A, A, A. Ants on the apple. A, A, A. Ants on the apple. A, A, A. A is the sound of A. Okay, now look about this picture. What I have here. This is apple. The first letter is using A. So we're gonna use the A sounds in the beginning of the word. Okay, now I have another letter. Can you tell me what the letter of this? Yes, this is B. Now, what does the sound of letter B? Okay, the letter is B, B, B. Okay, I will sing a letter B song and you can repeat after me. Ball are bouncing, B, B, B. Ball are bouncing, B, B, B. B is the sound of B. So, what the sound of letter B? Yes, the sound is B. Look what I have here. This is ball. Correct. This is ball. The first letter using B. So the sound first is B. Good. Next, what I have learned this? Yes, this is C. Do you know what does the sound of C? Yeah, the sound of C is K, K, K. Okay, I will sing a song about letter C and you can follow after me. Candle on the cupcake, k, k, k. Candle on the cupcake, k, k, k. Candle on the cupcake, k, 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 k. Is the sound of C. Yes, the sound of letter C is K. Look what I have the picture in here. I have a cupcake and on the top of them we have candle. Good. Today we finish our learn about sound of letter A, B, and C. So what the sound of letter A? Ah, ah. Okay. Now what about B? Says B, B. And what the letter sounds? C. K, k, k. Yes, good job. Thank you everyone. You're coming in my class and see you later. Bye.